Olam Gaelic. Learn Irish. Ceacht a Haimjeag. Lesson 11. Prepositions. Réamhacha. There means on. Orm on me, was on you, on him, he on her. Oring on us, orid on you, plural, orhu on them. Abachi, sentences. Nu jet nomid, Fiadon 2, or 10 minutes on YouTube. Rylan, let's go. Imagine this morning, or in the morning. Tá ahas orm, I am happy. Tá bron orm, I am sorry. Kajay tá ort, what's wrong with you? Tá chinis kin orm, I have a headache. On will aid urhi, is she jealous? Neil farag orhu, they are not angry. Damnu damn it. Tá Gaelic a G oring, we want Irish. Kajay tá shul, what's going on? Tá Jeffer he's in a hurry. Ken Tanyam atá ort, what's your name? Earl and Tanyam atá orm, my name is Earl. Tá sanas orm, I am disgusted. V Gma Homer, Homer was disappointed. Tá Sron Ru Ahu, they are wearing a red nose. Neil Fon Gara Oring, we are not amused. Tá Sladon Urhi, she has a cold. Neil Jean Eron Glushton, there is no roof on the car. Cain da atá what colour is it? Tá da gorm it's blue. Cain tam, what's the time? Tá sé at 3 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock. Erna Mallet, recently. Awara G Oring, Mary, pray for us. Dara ag large Gaelic on television, Dara speaking Irish on TV. Glee Orm, call me. Bannacht J. Orif, God bless you. Shin Jera le ceacht a Haimjeag. That's the end of lesson 11. Slan Tamil, bye for a while.